I love a woman and I am a woman. What do I do? This suspicion can arise if this is the first time that you have these feelings towards a friend, partner or woman you just met. In an online psychology article, we will give you all the information that you need to know more about yourself and everything that is going on inside you. You may also be interested in, why don't trust the women index? I am a woman and I have fallen in love with another woman. I want to accept my best friend. How to know if a woman loves another woman? How to flirt with a girl as a girl? I am a woman and I have fallen in love with another woman. This feeling is likely to first arise and you do not know exactly how to act. First of all, it is important to bear in mind that attracting a same-sex person is not an unnatural or disturbing response that we should feel bad about. Although acceptance of the opposite sex on a social level or attraction to a person of the opposite sex, a person can express feelings of love and affection towards all types of people. Not clear of its kind, therefore, if you have fallen in love with another woman while you are a woman, you should not feel bad or guilty about your feelings. Each position is unique, and your circumstances are individual. However, we will give you some guidance to know what to do in two very different situations. Number 1, I am married but I love women. In this case, it is important to analyze your feelings regarding your partner and decide what to do so as not to harm yourself, neither you nor you. Discovering that you love women can be a turning point in your life. However, a man can love you in turn. Sexual orientation is a spectrum that moves throughout our lives. In fact, intersex is attractive to all forms of gender expression in an unclear way. You should try to communicate this emotional discovery to your partner in the most honest way possible, and in this way, you can determine how your marriage is. Number 2, I think I love women. On the other hand, if you don't have a partner and start discovering yourself, take your time to study and discover your own taste. Try and enjoy your sex life patiently and free yourself from prejudice. Trying new things won't make you a worse person and nothing to be ashamed of. I love a woman and I am a woman. What do I do? If this suspicion is still in your head, take your time, leave fear behind, and if you are ready, try to beat that girl you love so much. If you feel that you are a bisexual person and want to announce your direction to your closest circle, we recommend the following article, How to Tell My Parents That I Am Bisexual. I want to accept my best friend. This phrase may seem familiar to you. When you start to feel attracted to women, you will feel confused feelings towards women who share more time and complicity. This desire to kiss your best friend is a natural response. If there is confidence and the situation is right, you can ask yourself how to communicate with your best friend about what is happening to you. Outside your feelings, it can help you accept yourself and get your closest circle accepting you in the same way. How to know if a woman loves another woman? When a woman loves a woman, the signs may be a little more accurate. This may be due to the fear of rejection or the external pressure many of them suffer from. Statistically, women have self-esteem problems and higher levels of anxiety compared to men. And for this same reason, it may be difficult to know if a woman loves another woman. Symptoms of a woman's love for another woman. Below, we show you the main signs that appear if a woman or two are like each other. They have a lot of visual contact. An almost impeccable sample of gravity is the appearance. When a woman is in love or loves another woman, she cannot avoid maintaining eye contact. There is so much privacy that this sign can be simply related to friendship, when two girls share many spaces and intimate moments. It could spark a passion between them. They are flirting with sexual orientation. This phenomenon usually occurs among younger girls. When people have a lot of confusion about their tastes and preferences, They often joke about reality to better cope with it. The same thing happens when two girls are in love and/or are attracted to each other. There is physical contact. Another symptom of a woman who loves another woman is the amount of physical contact between them. Hugs and caresses can be associated with good friendship or a passion that does not dare come to the surface. If you are already ready to fall in love with a girl who is attracted to you and thinks it time to learn to flirt, we offer the following tips that can help you. I love a woman and I am a woman. What do I do? Then, we show you what you can do. Start a conversation. The first approach may be to speak to her simply about any topic that is not of obvious importance. It may be time, song, or any news. This way, you can create the first contact with it. Find out if you are interested. You are likely not attracted to women or wanting anything with you. Once you call her, notice how she behaves with you and decide if she feels comfortable. Start flirting, either through jokes and visual and even physical contact. Allow her to monitor your interest. If she is receptive, she dares to suggest an appointment. Find a moment of privacy. If after flirting, the girl is comfortable and even replays gestures. Find a quiet place to get to know her better and let yourself be anxious about the situation. Respect your decisions at all times, and if you ever stop feeling comfortable, give the space you need. You see, flirting with a woman is very much like flirting with a man. Same-sex or same-sex relationships share many things with those relationships more socially acceptable. As a last tip, just leave it to yourself not to block your feelings. This article is informative. In online psychology, we do not have faculty members to make a diagnosis or recommend treatment. We invite you to go to a psychiatrist to specifically treat your case. If you want to read more similar articles than Love a Woman and Me Woman, What Do I Do? We recommend you enter our feelings category.